Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to a new short tutorial. For this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to close up when you're working on a Tunisian or any crocheted item that has this effect on it. We want to finish it up the way that we started. And if you're making a scarf or shawl, you can do that. A stole, you can make this technique. It's only done the way that I'm going to show you. Super easy, and it just closes up and gives a nice finish look to it, other than looking this way. Okay, so let's get started on how to finish it up and give this nice look to the end of our work. I crocheted the stitch and I came back, so we're going to close it up. By close it up means just finish it up the way that we started at the beginning. It will give this look, but I'm going to continue until I finish my yarns here. And yeah, so just wanted to show you. So what I'm going to do is, let's say you're finishing up and you're done. This can be done on any projects. So what I will make a separate video for this as well, and we'll go from there. So what you do is you come here as if to pick. Okay, you will have 2 loops. So what you do is you pull this and you finish this. So we're closing up. So you come and you pick up a stitch and we close it like a single crochet. That's what it looks like. We pull. That's what we're doing. We're picking stitches and we're closing it up. And we're closing up like this. So that will give an extra row and a nice finished touch up. Just like this. This is how you can close up any Tunisian stitches. You can make front post, back post as well. So you pick up every stitch, and for the last one I pick up these 2 loops and then finish it up. And then you can cut your yarn, and then you can finish it, do whichever you like to do. So here is a way to close it up, and you can do on any of these that you are working with. Like, you can close up this, because if you leave it like this, there's going to be holes in it. So it's better to finish it up the way that I just showed you. It just closes up, nothing showing off, and ta-da! The back looks like a pearl stitch, doesn't it? So I hope you like this tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that notification button. So every time I post a new video, you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. Happy crocheting. Bye-bye.